Well, well, well. I didn't think I'd ever actually go ahead and make this video, but here we are. Welcome. This is gonna be okay. First things first. This is maybe 70% a piss take. Like this is just a bit of a joke sort of thing. I've only been doing makeup since like September. Like I'm not qualified. I don't do anything. I don't do foundation or anything like that. So like, disclaimer: this is kind of a piss take, but this is just going to show you how I do my sort of my weird stuff, I suppose. So yeah, I put up a poll thing on Instagram, just saying should I actually make a makeup tutorial type video, and besides my mum, everyone said yes. So here I am. I'm going to try to do this with the limited makeup things that I have. I'll show you what I got in a minute, but yeah. Another disclaimer, I'm going to try to do some camera angles in here that it's going to be right up in my face, so you're going to see all my pores, my pimples. Frickin' I literally just shaved, as you just saw, just for this video, so there you go. You're going to get up into all of this, so that's going to be fun too. So I don't actually know what look I'm going to go for, because I have a few different like little tweaks, little kind of looks, but my usual sort of thing is just the black eyeshadow, black eyeliner, black lipstick, and maybe something else like an upside down cross or something. But I'm just gonna go with the flow and we'll see how we go. That fucking rhymed. That was I could have rhymed another thing. I was gonna say dope, but I fucked it up. Oh well. We do be liking red and black though. So I don't know how makeup artists do it, or like however they focus their bloody shit on the products that they use or whatever. No idea. So I'm just going to show you what I got, and if it doesn't go on focus, fuck it. So here we are. This is my eyeshadow. It's the black, was it Panther by Wet n Wild. Works pretty well. And I've gotten into using pencils instead of liquid eyeliner because I don't know, I just find them easier. This is also Wet n Wild. Fuck, what is it called? I'm so pro at this. This is the Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon pour les yeux. Oh wait, that's the fucking French version, my bad. Wet n Wild Collier eyeliner. Ah, fuck. That's black. There is a fucking fly annoying me, so just, yeah, whatever. This is Stargazer, black lipstick. It's pretty good. I've used a good amount of it with a few looks that I've done, but yeah, there's that. Also, I have these two, like, sort of red looking lipsticks. They work pretty well. This is like brighter red, this is a darker red. They're more for like, I don't know, I suppose, when I get really creative. So yeah, all in all, I don't have too many brands, or, well, not brands, but like, I don't have too many actual things to use. Yeah, when lockdown's over, I'm going to try get some more sort of products, just mainly like different coloured eyeshadows and stuff like that. Because I'm actually quite keen on experimenting with different colours and shades and tones, and I don't know what the fuck to do. But foundation and all that, no go, because I wouldn't even know where to start. Rightio, I'll move the camera, set my mirror up, and we'll get off to the races. Let's do it! This is the eyeshadow brush I use. It's literally just a cheap one from the warehouse. I have this this pack. There's only, yeah, I don't really know what to do. This one works the best though for eyeshadow, so that's one I use. Yeah, like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I don't know. I'll just make a mess on my face, even though it already is a mess. Self-deprecating humour, that's how we get along. Alright, so here we go. Get a little bit on there. And in we go. So my thing with this is that I always connect it up with the eyebrow, because like there's just that dead space, and because it's just black, I just feel like it should just be, you know, connected in a way, because there's no colour there. Like I said, it's all just black, so that's just sort of the way I do it. And I always just try get it to the point where it's dark enough that where I'm, you know, just kind of happy with, yeah, how dark it is or whatever. So I just keep putting it on until it's, I don't know, just got a decent amount of like depth, I'll say. So it looks like, you know, my eye socket is like a fucking skull. And I also bring it around the bottom as well, because it sort of gives the eyeliner a bit of, you know, even I don't know what I'm talking about. But like, it just gives it like, I don't know, it just makes it look cool. Like nice and shadowy and, you know, it just gives it shadow. It's shadow, yeah. It's eyeshadow, duh. Progressively over this, as this video continues, you're gonna notice how fucking unknowledgeable I am with this sort of stuff. My friends have been ever so gracious to give me tips and stuff with how I do all this, but I just can't put it into practice. And I always make sure to colour in the eyebrow as well, because my eyebrows are kind of brownish, sort of blondie sort of looking things, so if I colour them in, it sort of blends it well. And yeah, there's sort of the eyeshadow so far. Next, we got the eyeliner pencil, and I sharpened it just for this. I'm a pro! No! So usually I just sort of start on the bottom. I've gotten really good at doing my waterline sort of thing, so you'll see that in a minute. Uh-oh. I buggered it up. Once again. Good as new. Boom, that's kind of one eye done. The thing is that the other one is never going to be the same. That's always my problem. Is that there's always one that's better than the other. Usually it's that one that's better. But oh well. Just the way it goes. Also a thing that's difficult with me is that I have hooded eyelids. So that makes it even harder to do, you know, the wings and the eyeliner and what have you. So yeah, if you have hooded eyelids, can you give me some tips? Because yeah. Wait, I'm supposed to be giving you guys the tips. Also, if you're wondering how I do the cat's eye sort of makeup looking thing, I'll link my good friend Mary Jane. She has videos on how to do it. Yeah, I've watched a few of her videos and just pretty much took inspiration from her and how she did it. And yeah, so that's sort of how I learned to do the wing and the little thingy there. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I do it a lot more shitty than she does, because like hers is immaculate. But yeah, so yeah. Go subscribe to her, go follow her on her stuff, so yeah. So it's usually at this point I decide whether I want to refine the eyeliner or if I'm happy with it. I think I'm rather happy with it as it is now. And then the decision is, do I want lipstick? And for the sake of the video, yes, we're going to do lipstick. Also, by the way, I'm pretty shit at putting lipstick on, and it's kind of hard with a piercing. Okay, so that's lipstick done. Then the next big decision you need to make is whether you're gonna go up with your happy or you're gonna go down like Alice Cooper. This is always a tricky situation for me because I'm not sure which way I want to go. But that's sort of my, I wouldn't say it's a signature look, but it's the look I do the most. So yeah, I might do the happy one this time. And yeah, I just use my eyeliner pencil for this because, yeah, imagine doing this with lipstick. I don't think it would be a good idea. And you can go as far across as on your face as you want to. I'm just going to go to there. And then we can do some crosses and stuff. So I usually start from the mouth and then sort of take it out from there. So rather simple, just filling in the little gaps and yeah. Usually I just do it like the up and down, sort of just stitching, but I thought I'd change it for this one. I did X's on there for once. Then, you still got your pencil. Do you want a little cross there? Or do you want a big cross? I'm gonna go for big cross. So I had to move the bandana up. And here we go. It's always tricky to get like the actual line to go right, because if you have skin that just like folds, kind of like mine does, yeah, it can be a bit tricky. See what I mean? The line is never straight because it just folds on me. It's annoying. And again, you can always rub it away if you've got makeup wipes. I don't. So I'm just using the good old finger on the tongue and wipe it away, just like that. And if you're really good, you'll get them to match up perfectly, but again, I'm not good. You bring it back down, and then boom! And the cool thing is that with a lot of the sort of looks that I do, kind of like this, there's lots of things you can sort of change with them, like the cross, you can just do like a little cross there, or that little X, or you can do your heart, or if you have those stamp things. I don't. But even like all this, you can change all that, really. It's just the wing, the eyeshadow, and the lipstick that stays the same for the majority of the time. And then the rest is just, it's yours to mess up, and that's the best thing about it, I think. So then, it's the fun part. You need an outfit to match up your makeup. This isn't really going to work, because this is more of a goth look. The red isn't so much gothic, I'd say, but oh well. So I'm going to chuck some black on, and I'll be right back to you. And the next slide, here we go, there. So here we go. Here's our goth. Thing is, with any good makeup look, you need to match the outfit. Well, at least in my opinion. You know me, I'm pretty good at colour coordinating with all the red and black that I did just before. But this is black, so it's rather easy. The thing with this sort of, or my sort of style of makeup, it doesn't take me that long, because it's pretty just straightforward. It's eyeshadow, eyeliner, lipstick. That's essentially it, and I'm not doing any foundation or powder, whatever. I don't know what that stuff is. This stuff usually doesn't take me that long, like 20 minutes max, really. If I'm really taking my time trying to get everything precise, then yeah, it'll take me maybe a little bit longer than 20 minutes, but really it's straightforward as hell. This is just sort of a demo just to show you how I do things and how I get my makeup looks, if you're interested at all. Yeah, it's just really basic. So I'm thinking I might do some more makeup looks, because I actually kind of enjoyed making this video, not gonna lie. But I have a few other different looks that I can maybe show, or maybe I'll just experiment and come up with something like I do with my face paint sometimes. We'll just see how we go. I'm kind of keen on trying to Robert Smith from The Cure. Just, you know, the red lipstick, black eyeshadow, black eyeliner. Just simple. And then hairspray all over my hair and I could twig it. What? No, that'd be bad. But I might do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you actually try this at all, please hit me up on Instagram, DM me, you know my thing, DMNetwork101. Hit me up, because I would love to see it, because I feel like if someone's watched this and they've actually tried this, I'd love to see how it went for them, because it's as basic as it is, it's pretty easy to do. Yeah, please hit me up if you do that. So yeah, it's still quarantine. I hope you guys are all keeping well, keeping safe, being kind and all that sort of good shit. Keep updated with me. As I said, got my main Instagram, DMNetwork101, DMNetwork Art, and DMNetwork Cosplay. That was the... I had to really push that one out. Oops. Also, TikTok. I'm still on TikTok. Somehow I've gotten really famous on there. I've like over 1,000 followers. I don't know how it happened. but it's happened, and I'm really confused, and help. That'll do. Y'all keep on rocking, and I'll catch you later.